Hi, my loves. Hola, mis amores. It's back to school time. Whether you're going back to high school, college, or just doing some classes, this look is fresh, fun, and perfect for you. We're starting off with the Viral Elf Power Grip Primer, and we're applying it to our entire face. And let me tell you, this stuff works. It's perfect for running in between classes, running errands, as it makes your foundation stay on all day. As we're letting our primer dry, we're gonna move on to brows. We're gonna use this clear gel to make our brows really fluffy. And then we're gonna get a colored dark brunette brow gel and we're gonna apply that to our brows really lightly, just making it very fresh for on the go. And because school entails so much, we're gonna keep things simple here and we're gonna stick to two shades for our eyes. We're gonna use a darker shade and a cream colored shade. We'll use the darker shade in the outer corners and then we'll use the lighter shade on our inner corners. This is really gonna keep things really beautiful, but also brighten up our eyes. Moving on to eyeliner, we're gonna use this one from e.l.f. and we're gonna start off at the very end of our eyes and then we're gonna go to the inner corner and we're gonna bring our wing out. Then we'll move on to mascara and we're just gonna put a light coat on our eyes because we're gonna be adding lashes. These lashes are absolutely beautiful. They're really flirty and really fun. Here's a trick for you guys. Cut out the inner corners. That way they're more natural and can align with your eyes. On this channel, we get variety here. So we're moving on to hair. My hair fell this way, so the line is going to the side. Sometimes you just have to make it work. I love this style because it's quick, adorable, and anyone can do. All you need is a pick. Actually, I've even used a makeup brush to make the line. Shh, don't say anything. Two hair bands, a couple of bobby pins, and some cute hair clips. We make two braids, pin them into buns, and you're ready to go out the door. Now, if you're enjoying this lesson and wanting more tips and tricks on makeup and hair, and really something different, hit the subscribe button to pass this test. Back to lashes. We're gonna use some tweezers to pop those on. And then we're gonna move on to foundation. Drugstore makeup has come a long way, but the one thing that I will always splurge on is foundation. This one is from Chanel. It's $65, but it's 1,000% worth it. It's hydrating, it has up to 12 hours of wear, it's silky, it leaves your skin with a luminous finish. I'm currently suffering with acne, so I wanted to show you guys the application of the way that it goes on my skin. It leaves my skin very dewy, very glowy, and it's perfect for all day wear. And to brighten up our face, we're moving on to concealer. This one we're gonna apply it underneath our eyes, on our forehead, and our chin, and we're gonna blend that in with a small brush. Now, if you had noticed, on the areas that were red, I actually left a little bit of foundation as I was blending in my concealer, and now I'm going back and I'm blending it in, and you won't be able to see any of those red spots anymore. Have you guys seen the new packaging for the Easy Baked Powder? Whew, I am not liking that. I hope that she listens to her fans and goes back to the original. Now, to add in something fun and unique, we're gonna go into a color palette and we're gonna put some blue underneath our eyes. You can also use green, purple, pink, just a little something to make it fun. Now we're gonna go on to blush, and we're gonna use this creamy one and put it all under our cheekbones. The power of a good headband. I got these off of Amazon. They're super easy, super quick. I just put them on my hair and I'm ready to go. Get yourself a pack of different ones and see how you can change up your whole entire style without actually having to redo your hair. We'll use our hand to contour, putting on this beautiful creamy blush, and we'll put some on our cheekbones and our nose to bring out some color in our face. For los labios, we're using this deep red and we're gonna line our lips. Now, I am so excited about this next product. This is the e.l.f. lip oil that we've been seeing everywhere. And let me tell you guys, it is amazing. I was a little skeptical at first, but when I tried it, it was very moisturizing. I even have been trying it without lip liner when I'm going to the gym or I'm on the go, and it actually has left my lips really plump and really pretty. Look at the way it looks. It's a really beautiful color, and I have to say, I'm gonna be picking up some more. Oh, I forgot to add, when you are putting on lip liner, always blend it in. It'll make your lips way more fuller. This hairstyle is for the days that we want to have our hair down, but not all the way completely down. We'll grab a couple of hair clips and we're going to pin it all the way back. This is going to create a beautiful hairstyle where we have some volume, but we still have our beautiful hair flowing and beautifully down. And of course, we can't forget highlighter that we'll put on our cheekbones and the tip of our nose. I want to leave you guys with something really special. Excuses make today easier, but tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today harder, but tomorrow easier. I hope you guys have a beautiful school year. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!